Today, Apple's in the tech spotlight for a couple of reasons that are enough to brew a mix of excitement and cautious optimism among investors and Apple enthusiasts alike. First up, it looks like Apple is having a bit of a seesaw moment in the stock performance battle against Alphabet, Google's parent company. Both these tech titans are part of the Magnificent Seven stocks that have been doing cartwheels over the S&P 500 in historical performance. But who's got the jump shot in this showdown? By looking at the numbers today, Apple seems to be the champion, outperforming Alphabet over 5 and 10-year milestones. However, Alphabet isn't backing down without a fight, having shown a notable revenue year-over-year increase of 9% compared to Apple's 2.8% decline. These insights spark curiosity over which will rev up their growth engines faster and better in the coming quarters. Adding to Apple's highlights, we've got some juicy updates from the smartphone battlefield, especially focused on the Chinese market. Apple's Q3 smartphone sales slipped slightly by 0.3% year-over-year. Not a steep drop, but enough to catch some eyes. The iPhone 16, Apple's latest delight, launched in September, managed to keep demand steady compared to previous models. In a twist of fortune flavored with tech irony, this helped Apple reclaim the #2 spot in China's smartphone league, putting it right behind Vivo, a brand enjoying an 18.6% market share. Diving deeper into the battle in China, Huawei has made a mighty regal return, climbing back up the ladder with a 42% shipment increase. This comeback, painted with patriotism and passion thanks to its locally produced chip, presents Apple with a formidable adversary in the world's biggest smartphone playground. Oh, but it's not just about competition. Apple's also in the game of friendly collaboration. Tim Cook, Apple's charismatic CEO, made his second visit to China this year, having met with China's Minister for Industry and Information Technology. They swapped hopes of expanding Apple's footprint and joint ventures with local businesses, emphasizing a stay tuned for more theme in the relations chapter. Apple's market strategies, including some price-slashing promotions ahead of parties like Singles' Day, aim to keep its Chinese audience intrigued and investment watches ticking positively. There's been a juice splash of speculation that the iPhone could take the crown as the major revenue source for Apple by 2025, potentially contributing up to 96% of it. Talk about Apple juice indeed. Wrapping this up, Apple's news today walks a tightrope of success hurdles, market competition, and future aspirations on global and country stages. In a stock market maze and an ever-competitive smartphone universe, only time will reveal how Apple will dance its way forward, whether it'll be 2 steps forward or a Cuban slide back. And knowing Apple, their next big show won't keep us waiting long. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.